Okay, I thought I'd give you an update on this. What you see here is the mofo. Okay, few additions to it. All right. For one thing, I'm not using the MP3 player anymore. I'm using this thing. It's a Spooky 2 frequency generator. It's an older model, so I picked it up for a song. Um, that's a speaker used for um, a resistor. All right, so I don't blow the thing, and it's all hooked up into this thing. All right, that's what makes it run. It's running on sine wave right now. We could put it on. It's a square wave. It muffles it. That's what I want. That's why I wrap the towel around. Otherwise, it's a god awful noise. We'll just turn that down for now. Um, but one other thing that I added to it is this thing. Let's see. You see that? It's kind of hard to tell in this light, but that's a violet ray wand, and what that's doing. Yeah, let's start over again. Turn this thing off. Let's see. Okay. Now, running on a sine wave. That's a square wave, 33 hertz. Okay. You could feel some energy coming out of that. It's not bad. Okay. It's 33. It seems to work. Okay. And I'll explain that in a few seconds. But what really makes this work, what really jacks it up, is this. And by doing that, that really ramps it up. I don't know why. I don't know why. Okay? But I fell into a group of people that have been doing this sort of thing. All right? And oddly enough, I'm getting the same results that they are. This thing is kicking out the energy, something fierce. This also does it. That's a heat lamp and infrared. So what we have here is infrared and violet ray. What it has to do with the spectrum, I'm not sure. Okay, doesn't make any sense to me at all. But this thing is kicking out. This thing is jacking it up. Okay. Also have a little sigil in there, if you can see that. There we go. I no longer need a cone for this. Okay, I don't need a centerpiece. This thing blasts it out all by itself. All right, and it seems to work better without it. The metal sheath on the inside there. Well, orgone accumulator, metal on the inside, organic material on the outside, okay? And it works better. That's one addition that I should at least talk about. I found that this is a very interesting it makes things happen, okay? I was contacted by a friend of mine who needed some rain in another continent. All right, and sure enough, as dry as it was, this managed to kick out some. Let me turn this thing down for a second. This thing managed to kick out, enough to make it rain. Okay, this is in South America. Okay, since then, I was contacted by a few other people, with roughly the same, thing. Alter the weather. Some had too much rain, some didn't have enough. All right, and in all cases, whether it's coincidence, who the hell knows, it worked. This thing worked. The most recent one I did, I think, was Australia. I don't know if you're aware of this or not, but a few months ago, Australia was having some real problems. Okay, they were killing cattle because they didn't have the water. You need water to grow grain. They were killing pregnant cows. Okay, I mean, it was pretty bad, right? Well, once I hooked up this ray to it, all right, this thing just kicked ass. I mean, what could I say? It rained. I'll include a video, so you can see what I'm talking about. But I gotta tell you, I don't know exactly what to say about this. But it's not just for weather, all right? It's not just a weather machine. I gotta tell you, I just started playing around with the weather because it was the easiest thing, or it's going to get the fastest results. All right. This will manifest intention. It's an intention manifestation device, is what it is. And if you intend for something to happen, if you place an intent on this, just by standing in the field and thinking about it, it will work. Weather just happens to be something that is going to give you quick results, provable results. Okay? And it doesn't seem to make any difference how far away it is. The first time I used the sucker punch for augmenting the weather was making the sun shine in a London morning. Okay? I was amazed at that work. And the weather map even showed. But when you have months and months and months of no sun, and all of a sudden you do this and you get sun, well, you know, there's something there. Maybe it's coincidental. Maybe I had to play the lottery. But this thing works. Since then I found that this thing is a remarkable manifestation device. Just by standing in the field, okay, and making an intent, this thing will make it happen. It's not just weather, all right? It's, what can you think of? What do you want? What's best for humanity? It's more than money, but I'm impressed with it. I just wanted to show this to you, see what's going on, and here's a video. Let's take a look at that.
Today's the 7th of September 2018. I'm just here at my sister's place. She's got 25 acres here, and it's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. This is a blessing. Thank you, Tom.